Hello everyone, and welcome to season 2 episode 2 of Speechless Hairstyles. Thank you all for tuning in today, and a special thank you to everyone who subscribed. One love. In this episode, I'll be showing you guys how to plait and short hair. I'll be focusing on how to grip the hair and when and how to reposition your hands and fingers. I will also be showing you guys how to part the triangle shapes with the right composition and balance to form a unique hairstyle. Parting triangle shape, it is essential that you start parting from one end of the hairline all the way around to the other end of the hairline on opposite sides before attempting to start a new row. Parting out my triangles, and I am going to follow this pattern all the way around. But first, please pay attention to how I grip the hair from the root between my thumb and index fingers while using my middle fingers and wedding fingers to support my grip. After about 3 to 4 plaits, I then turn my hands over using all my fingers to reposition the plaits into my thumb and index fingers. I then continue plaiting downwards with just my thumb and index fingers. As I get to the end of the plaits, I give it a tight grip and a nice finishing with just the edge of my thumb and index fingers. Knowing how to position and reposition your fingers when braiding is very essential to the layering and the falling of each plait. Let's do this a couple more times so that you can get the hang of it. Now that I am starting a new row, I am doing the same thing as before. I start at one end of the hairline and part all the way around to the other end of the hairline. This lesson is very important to master, especially if you're a beginner, because knowing how to part the hair when braiding has everything to do with the outcome of the hairstyle. So having the right composition, form and balance when sectioning the hair is very important. This is the secret to creating a perfectly neat and gorgeous hairstyle. Now that I am at the top and everything is looking neat and gorgeous already. So with this section at the top, I just need to section that in half. And please bear in mind that without composition and balance, I couldn't have landed the last parting exactly in the center of the head. So to achieve this puzzle, you will have to use your judgment also to know how thick or thin your rows need to be, and you always have to judge beforehand how many rows you think you'll be able to achieve before beginning the hairstyle. And notice how well layered my braids are and how nicely they fall down into place. You don't have to be an artist or a professional hairstylist to achieve this. It's all about paying attention to the little details. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and now I am on TikTok just for the fun and joke. So guys, please press that subscribe button. Don't want to miss episode 3 coming up next month. Trust me, that's an episode you can't miss. Talking about March is episode 3. Come on, March, the 3rd month, episode 3. Come on, it's not a coincidence. Guys, things are happening, and you know, the year has gone by so fast. It's already the end of February. I can't believe it. And you know, yes, it's the leap year, so that's something to celebrate. It's the leap year, and the spring is sprunging in very soon. It's coming in very quick, and I have a lot of exciting things coming up. So guys, press the subscribe button. No pressure, just press the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in March. for episode 3, and it's coming somewhere between the middle or the end of March, but press that subscribe button so you won't miss anything. Alright guys, so take care and bye. I'll see you guys soon.